Welcome to the world of Flutter and Dart. Today, we'll explore some of the most commonly asked interview questions for Flutter and Dart developers. Whether you're an experienced coder or just beginning your Flutter journey, these questions will help you ace your next interview. Let's get started. We'll start with Dart, the backbone of Flutter, covering variables, data types, null safety, and more to elevate your Dart skills for top-notch Flutter development. What are the differences between final and const? What is the difference between var, object, and dynamic? What is the scope of variables? What are generics in Dart and how are they used? What are named parameters used for and why are they useful? What are the differences between functions and methods, including anonymous functions? What are mixins used for? What are the similarities and differences between extension, mixin, and abstract class? What is a factory constructor? What is a singleton class? How does just-in-time and ahead-of-time compilation work in Dart? What are future and stream in Dart? What are the different types of streams? What is multithreading in Dart, isolate, event loop, microtask, async, await, compute? What are null-aware operators in Dart and how are they used? What is null safety? What is solid? What is the concept of lazy loading? Now, it's time for Flutter, where we'll delve into widgets, state management, navigation, animations, and more. What are the benefits and limitations of Flutter? What are packages and plugins in Flutter? What is the difference between runapp and main in Flutter? How does hot reload differ from hot restart in Flutter? Define a widget in Flutter and discuss different types and their uses. Contrast stateless widget and stateful widget in Flutter. Describe the lifecycle of a stateful widget in Flutter. What is inherited widget and its purpose in Flutter? Compare material and Cupertino widgets in Flutter. Why are const annotations used for widgets in Flutter? What is the role of build context in Flutter? How does navigation work in Flutter? Discuss the imperative and declarative approaches in Flutter navigation. Explain animation handling in Flutter. Differentiate between implicit and explicit animation in Flutter. Why are keys important for widgets in Flutter? Explain the trees in Flutter, widget tree, element tree and render object tree. What are the different build modes in Flutter, debug, profile, release, and their purposes? Why does the initial build process sometimes take longer in Flutter? Discuss the concept of tree shaking in Flutter. Discuss the underlying architecture of Flutter. What is state management? Explain clean architecture and its relevance in Flutter. Discuss your approach to optimizing performance in Flutter applications. How are unit, widget, and integration tests implemented in Flutter? Describe the purpose and usage of the platform channel in Flutter. And that's it for our journey through the top Flutter and Dart interview questions. I hope you found this video insightful and valuable. Best of luck in your future interviews, and remember, you've got this. Happy coding and Flutter on!